I just got hospitalized due to a peekaboo accident. They put me in the ICU. You're welcome. you want me to hold anything?
Maybe stand on it. Keeps it in place nice.
Ow! See, there goes the cord. Okay.
Yeah. We're fasten that board.
Yeah.
When I get up there.
Beauty.
I'm passing the hammer.
What?
The hammer.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now today it sucks that we had to leave yesterday.
Yeah.
Because it's
Way colder.
Oh yeah. Not even comparable. Yesterday was pretty decent. Today's like
Minus 100.
yeah, it just feels wintry.
Yeah.
You need a few of them in a row to get used to it.
Want me to pass it up to you?
Yeah, that gun you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to notch out for the partitions,
Okay.
like in the top plate,
Yeah.
like you did before,
Yeah.
just to tie them in.
You can. Hopefully there aren't too many, eh?
You need a hand warm up here already.
I love the smell of kerosene.
I know, me too. It reminds me of we used to have a kerosene heater and we sold Christmas trees, and inside it we had a little kerosene heater.
Oh,
it was a
so
fishing
great.
shack that would also be used as a fishing shack after the Christmas trees going into January. So,
Warming
but
my
it had a
toes
kerosene
and
heater. It
everything.
smelled just like this.
I love it.
Then we had, obviously in our camper, we
Yeah.
had it in there. But I always think of then. I think it's
Yeah.
because we use it so much.
Yeah, so warm. That'll heat this place up really good once
Oh,
we have
yeah.
a roof on it.
Yeah, this finger's actually hurting.
What a difference that makes.
Maybe I almost let that one go too long. Sketchy, eh?
Yeah.
I swear I'm better off just using bare hands.
Just put them in your
I
pocket.
say it every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the hand warmers in my pocket.
Nice.
It's Christmas week anyway.
Yeah. Take it easy.
There's no reason to. We take it easy, like, even more.
Yeah.
We got our trusses that
Yeah.
come in. They're supposed to be in January 3rd, so
Yes.
just into the new year. So we get this up, we'll get the partitions in.
Yeah.
And that's really all that has to be done for this part. And then the front deck part, there'll be a few trusses that go over there, so we'll have to probably sort that out.
Yeah.
But we got a couple weeks, so we have a date on them.
Yeah, that's good.
Not before Christmas, but
No.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Now we can just get that section done over the next couple weeks before they come, because we're not going to outwork that part anyway, so
Yeah.
nail a board each day.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
This thing works well.
Yeah.
That's warm.
It's awesome.
That's hot right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Feels great.
It gets legit hot, eh?
Toasting my buns. Oh yeah, put it right there where you're gonna lay your wood.
Yeah. What is, babe? As Sam would say.
Yeah.
Did you see I almost screwed this one up and ran the board that way?
Yeah.
And never tied it in.
Yeah, I know, right?
That would have made it pointless, eh?
I know. I have to move. Yep, that looks good.
Want the gun? Do you want my glasses?
Oh no, you can just nail it. Just carried it up for you.
Yeah.
I'm so kind.
Oh yeah, throw it in the house.
All right.
The last piece. You want to pass me that gun? Are you anywheres around?
What?
Oh, you're not around. I was gonna ask for the gun.
Oh, frig, of course I left.
What, Ebbs? Cool. Another job done, even if it's not a big one. Well, okay, there's not a big job, but it's a job, it's something.
Yeah,
It's Christmas, right? So
Yeah.
we
Christmas
just,
week.
and it's cold, so we just, again, come in, do a little bit of the time we can,
Yeah.
and go from there.
And Sam's off school for a few weeks, so you can only work so long with her here.
We gotta
So
hang
don't
in.
want it to get cold. And we have to spend time, yes.
Yeah, I
Christmas
don't
week.
think it bothers her none. Hey, she just doesn't even come in for warm-ups.
Yeah. I know, we're the ones sitting by it.
Yeah.
Well, we better do that Christmas draw we're doing. So the $100 gift cards, thanks to Ariat. We'll
Two of them, yep.
Draw 2 winners and see who wins. So there you go. Here are our 2 winners. Congratulations, and we hope you like your present. And Merry Christmas, everyone.
And thanks, Harriet, for the sponsorship to help make it happen. And that's all good.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, to everybody, right? Thanks, everybody, for being here.
Yeah.
Right?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.
See ya.